Alright, here's my homemade hay grappler, whatever you want to call it, grab that I built. Overall dimensions of it, a little bit smaller than most. I've based mine off of a 36-inch length bale. That's usually what I bale. I've kind of built it a little bit lighter, even though it is still pretty heavy. But it's just overall smaller than what you would buy if you bought one. That's one of the reasons I built it. Its total length is 95 inches, as you can see there, and then total width is 72 inches. The main frame here is 4-inch channel, 1/4 inch thick. The support tube and these tubes here are 1.25 inches, 1/8 inch thick, and my side packing arm here is a 1-inch Schedule 40 pipe, which is removable. That just slides into a couple in there, and then I have a bolt down there on this end right there that I take out. I could drop that off, and it just makes it easier for unloading stacks. This is 3-inch by 3-inch square tubing. It's 3/16 inch thick. I got it welded to a skid steer, solid skid steer plate that I believe that's 5/16 thick. It's got 5 claw arms there, and the way I did these is kind of overkill, but I put pillar block bearings in there on each one of them, so one in the middle, one on the left side, and then one right here on the right side. The way I did that is this is just 1-inch solid rod, and it goes the whole length of that, and I slid this 1.25 by 1/8 tube over that rod, and then I just bolted it there just to hold it in place. That way it gives somewhere for my hooks to attach to. And then I have, of course, my cylinder, which is on a 3/4 inch thick piece of steel plate there with some square tubing at an angle to support that, and also the same thing there. I just put this on a plate for now because I didn't know if I was going to have to adjust it on this arm, but it works out pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and weld that on. And this is 3/8 inch Schedule 40 pipe, and I just got a 3/8 bolt through it. This is a piece of 1.25 inch flat bar that I've cut at a 45-degree angle here and welded it straight to the 1.25 inch tube. And it works out pretty good for that cylinder to give it my hooks pretty much full tilt, up and down. It worked out pretty good. When I did it straight, for some reason it didn't seem to work out right, so I did it like that and it worked out pretty good. I just made me a little spot to hold my hoses here and put this canvas cover on the hose to keep it from getting tore up, which works out pretty good. I hadn't used this thing a whole lot, but a few times I have used it this year. It's worked out fairly well. As you can see, this is just welded to that, and this bolt's loose in there, so when this picks up, you know, these kind of go forward. If I had it hooked to my tractor, I could show you, but I don't have it hooked up, as you can see. Well, here in the front, I just got a piece of, I think, 4-inch angle iron welded to the front, just a piece I had laying around. So you can kind of see the full view there of it. Inside. You can see the cylinder. I believe it's a 2.5 inch bore, 10-inch stroke cylinder, and it seems to be plenty strong enough. And there's kind of the back view of it. I guess that's it for now. If you have any more questions, just let me know. There's a accumulator I built too. I also built that. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. I can make another video on how that thing is, but I guess that's it.